Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how to share Instagram post to story, so let's start. First go on Instagram app. After that go on your profile. Now, you can share post of other profiles, just need to be not private. Also you can share post of your profile on your story, I will do that right now. Select a post. Then tap on this icon. After that tap on add post to your story. Now you can change appearance of your post, just tap one time on post and you done. Also you can move post where you want, just slide. And you can zoom or unzoom post. And when you done just tap to post on your story, on this. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.